Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this quality video on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos like so, and then on the second one go to adjustments, go to curves, and you're just going to move everything to the left side like this, that, and then this as well. Then go to effects and add in a blur lens on top. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Go back to video, go to basic, blend mode, linear burn, and adjust it. Go back to media and add in a white overlay on top of that video. Go to blend mode overlay, and you're also going to adjust the opacity. If it looks weird, just go back to the opacity on the linear burn and adjust it to your liking. Go back to the first video, go to adjustments, go to basic, and here's where you can kind of adjust it to the color of the video, like so. It kind of varies depending on the color of your video, but that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!